This is a buckyball that I made with a Zometool kit. Came with enough struts and hubs to make that. The hubs are black instead of white. You can make other kind of platonic solids, and you can make all kinds of very crystalline structures that are based on regular repeating periodic shapes. And there are even ones like this, which is a diamond carbon. So I'm about to use this kit here, these pieces, to make a hyperdough, which is a very complicated dodecahedron, which is really kind of a four-dimensional thing that's showing shadows of various platonic structures. It's very complicated, lots of parts. And it's possible with this same set that can make an ice crystal or other natural elements. And they're a lot of fun. You can reuse them. I often just make models that I like to hang. They're not cheap, but like Legos, they should last forever in terms of reuse. They're very, very firm and sturdy plastic. And they're called Zomeworks. And you can look at their site and see all the different kind of structures you can make and remake. Here's just another example of the very beginnings of this structure that I'm making from this kit. And they go together very fast, and you can kind of go in any directions that you want.
This is the Lily brush. I have a long-haired cat named Frida and a chocolate lab named Pablo, so there is pet hair everywhere in my house. Here it is, just gathering a day's worth of pet hair off of my desk chair, which is pretty gross. I've tried sticky lint rollers and other hair remover brushes, but this Lily brush seems to do a better job. It just gathers up all the hair, which you can then pick up or vacuum.
This is regular Scotch packing tape, and if you just have a roll like this, you really can't rip it. I mean, it just does not tear. You can try as hard as you like, but it's very hard. You need to use scissors to cut it. For the past few years, I've been using this Scotch tear by hand packing tape, and it's just like regular packing tape, except it just tears very easily by hand. It's still really strong in both directions, but you can just tear it in this direction extremely easily. So you do not need to have it on one of those dispensers with the sharp serrated edges, and you don't need to carry around scissors or a snap blade knife. It's super convenient. It's a little more expensive than regular packing tape, but man, is it great. It's called Tear by Hand packaging tape, and it's made by Scotch.